On 1/1/15, Tarak Bhai, Jetalal and Popatlal are cancel simply commenced partnership firm to share profit and loss in the proportion of 5:3:2. Now their capital on that date was 5 lakhs, 3 lakhs and 2 lakhs. So write on partners capital credit side by balance brought down 5 lakhs, 3 lakhs and 2 lakhs. On 31/12/16 they have decided to dissolve the firm, and on this date the status of firm was as follows. First let us do the markings. Building market as R, it will be closed and transferred to realization account. Debtors are realization account. Stock are realization account. Bills payable are realization account. Machinery realization account. Bills receivable realization. Creditors realization. Cash account is not to be closed, so write down its opening balance 1 lakh. Who is talking in between? To balance brought down 1 lakh. Debit balance of profit and loss account market as PCA, partners capital account. Okay, this will be closed and transferred to partners capital account. After that, you have all the adjustments. So first we'll pass first 5 entries, then we'll read those adjustments. First entry to close assets, realization account debit to assets account. Realization account debit, so in realization account debit side to assets account, building 5 lakhs. Debtors 4 lakhs. Stock 2 lakhs. Bills payable is a liability. Okay. Machinery will come here 3 lakhs. Bills receivable 1 lakh. Creditors is a liability and cash is not to be closed. Any doubts on this? So 5, 9, 11, 14, 15 lakhs. First 5 entries will have only single effect. Realization account debit, so we'll write on realization account on debit side. Any doubt with this? Second entry, reserves against assets we don't have. Bad debt reserve is not there, depreciation fund is not there, discount reserve is not there. We don't have reserve against assets in this question. Third entry, liabilities. Liabilities account debit to realization account. To realization account, so in realization on credit side, by liabilities account, two liabilities are there. Bills payable is there, 1 lakh. And creditors are there 6 lakhs. Do you all find it? Bills payable and creditors, so total 7 lakhs. Is everyone clear with this? Okay, so third entry, liabilities account debit to realization. To realization, so realization on credit side by liabilities account. Any confusions up till here? Next, reserves we don't have. General reserve is not there. Workman compensation fund, investment fluctuation fund, these reserves are not there. Directly fifth entry, fictitious asset, we have debit balance of P&L account. That debit balance of profit and loss account, we have marked it also as PCA. That is a fictitious asset. So partners capital account debit to fictitious assets means partners capital account on debit side to profit and loss account, and we have to distribute it in profit sharing ratio. So 1 lakh into 5 by 10, 50,000. 1 lakh into 3 by 10, 30,000. And 1 lakh into 2 by 10, 20,000. So first 5 entries are done. Any doubts with this? Now let us read the adjustments and do the markings from 6 to 11. 6, 7 assets. 8, 9. Expenses. 10, 11. Liabilities. Okay. 6. Assets sold by the firm. 7. Asset taken over by partner. 8. Expense paid by the firm. 9. Remuneration paid to the partner. 10. Liabilities paid by the firm. 11. Liabilities taken over by partner. Now, since the firm was loss making, it is dissolved and disposal of assets and liabilities are as follows. Tarak Bhai has taken over building at 20% more than book value. So asset taken over by partner. Entry number 7. Mark it as 7th entry. Against which accepted to pay to the creditors. So liability taken over by partner. 11th entry. Okay, taken over building is asset taken over by partner. 7th entry it will come in. And accepted to pay to the creditors is 11th entry, liability taken over by partner. Any doubts up till here? Next. Jethalal has taken machines at 10% less and stock at 10% more than book value. Again asset taken over by partner. Mark it as 7th entry. And he has accepted to pay bills payable, liability taken over by partner. 11th entry. Any confusions? Same like first adjustment. Popatlal has taken debtors at 20% less than book value. Again asset taken over by partner. 7th entry. Okay. Now note 1. Bills receivable become valueless, means nothing is realized from bills. Bills receivable have become valueless, means the debtors on whom we had drawn the bills receivable, they have become bad debts. They have not paid the money. So no entry will be passed for that. Okay, if we receive the money, then only we have to pass the entry. Outstanding government tax paid 80,000. So liability paid by the firm. 10th entry. Okay, whether recorded liability is paid or unrecorded liability is paid, both will be included in 10th entry. This is unrecorded liability. In the books, we did not have any tax liability, but we are paying it, so we are included in 10th entry. And automatically it will be shown as a loss in your realization. Because single effect will only come. Dissolution expense of firm 30,000 will come in 8th entry. Okay, expense paid by the firm. You are asked to prepare realization account, partners capital account and cash. So now we pass the entries in the order. First, 6 sale of assets we don't have. Now cross verify that. See in the balances of assets. Is information given for building? Yes. Tarak has taken over. Is information given for debtors? Yes. Popatlal has taken over. Is information given for stock? Jethalal has taken over. Machinery, Jethalal has taken over. Bills receivable valueless. Any asset for which information is not given, otherwise we would have assumed it is sold at book value. Bills payable, second adjustment Jethalal will pay. Creditors, first adjustment Tarak Bhai will pay. Any liability for which information is not given, otherwise we would have assumed it is paid at book value. Okay, so now 6th entry, sale of assets we don't have, there are no assets sold by the firm. 7th entry, asset taken over by partner. Partners capital account debit to realization. Two realizations, so realization on credit side. First adjustment you can see by Tarak Bhai's capital account. In bracket, building. 20% more than book value. So 5 lakhs plus 20%, 6 lakhs. Directly you can do in calculator. 5 lakhs plus 20%, that is 1 lakh more, so 6 lakhs. Any doubts in this? Then Jethalal has taken machines and stock. So by Jethalal's capital account, below that two things will come. Machines. Now machines 10% less. So can you see machines are 3 lakhs? 3 lakhs minus 10%, 30,000 less, 2 lakhs 70,000. And stock at 10% more. Can you all see stock is 2 lakhs? So 2 lakhs plus 10%, 20,000 more, 2 lakh 20,000 means total 4 lakh 90,000. Any confusion with these values? And third adjustment, Popatlal has taken debtors. So by Popatlal's account, by Popatlal's capital in bracket debtors, and 20% less than book value, so 4 lakhs minus 20%, that is 80,000, so 3,20,000. Did you understand this, everyone? Okay, partners capital account debit to realization. To realization, so realization credit side by partners capital account with assets taken over. Opposite side in partners capital account to realization account in bracket assets. Tarak's column 6 lakhs. Jetha's column 4,90,000 and Popatlal's column 3,20,000. Is everyone okay with this? Asset taken over by partner. Any doubt in this? So 6 and 7 is done. Okay. Now 8 and 9 expenses. 8th expense paid by the firm. Third note, dissolution expense of 30,000 is paid by the firm. Realization account debit to cash and bank account. So realization account debit means debit side to cash and bank account in bracket dissolution expense. $30,000. And opposite side in cash and bank account by realization account in bracket dissolution expense $30,000. Did you all understand this? So dissolution expense paid by the firm, realization to cash and bank. Then after that, dissolution expense or remuneration payable to the partner we don't have. Okay, so 8 and 9 is done. Now 10 and 11. Liability paid by the firm, that will include the outstanding government tax of 80,000. So again, realization account debit to cash and bank. Okay, we have marked it as entry number 10. Government tax 80,000 and opposite side in cash and bank account by realization account in bracket government tax 80,000. Any confusions with this? Then liability taken over by partner, we have in adjustment 1 and 2. Creditors are taken by Tarak Bhai and bills payable by Jethalal. So liability taken over by partner, realization account debit to partner's capital account. So realization debit side to Tarak Bhai's capital account in bracket adjustment 1. Creditors are taken over. Nothing is given means at book value, that is 6 lakhs, and to Jethalal's capital account in bracket bills payable. Second adjustment, bills payable are taken over. Nothing is given means again at book value. So 1 lakh. Are you all clear with this? Realization to partners capital. Opposite side in partners capital account by realization account in bracket liabilities. Tarak 6 lakhs and Jetha 1 lakh. So 10 and 11 are also done. Liabilities paid by the firm and liability taken over by partner. Now realization will be transferred to partner's capital to cash and bank. So debit is more. So 15, 21, 22, 23 lakh 10,000. Seven, 13, 17, 20, 21 lakh 10,000. So 2 lakhs is the difference. By partners capital account, 5:2, 3:2 is the ratio. So Tarak will be 2 lakh into 5 by 10, 1 lakh. Jeta will be 2 lakh into 3 by 10, 60,000. Popatlal will be 2 lakh into 2 by 10, 40,000. Opposite side in partners capital account, 2 realization account, 1 lakh 60,000 and 40,000. Did you all understand this? Now whatever balance remains in capital will be transferred to cash. But see, Tarak by credit side is more, but Jethalal and Popatlal debit side is more. So we'll do it one by one. First we do it for Tarak. Credit side is more. 5 lakhs, then 6 lakhs, 11 lakhs. $11 lakhs minus 7 lakh 50,000, 3 lakh 50,000. 2 cash and bank account. In bracket balancing figure. Did you understand this? And Jethalal and Popatlal debit side is more. So 490, 550, 580, 5 lakh 80,000 and 3, 20, 60, 80, 3 lakh 80,000. 5 lakh 80,000 and 3 lakh 80,000. Now 580 minus 4 lakhs, 1 lakh 80,000. 3 lakh 80 minus 2 lakhs is also 1 lakh 80,000. By cash and bank account. In bracket balancing figure. Now this cash and bank will come on opposite side, credit side by Tarak Bhai's capital account. $350,000. And this one will come on debit side to Jethalal's capital account. 1,80,000. And also to Popatlal's capital account, 1,80,000. Yes, total is 4,60,000. Did you all understand this? Anyone having any doubt in this?
No battery.
Okay. Okay. So question 7 I'll discuss and you take it in homework. It's a very simple question. One balance sheet is to be made, that I make it in the class. And that you make it along with me. Okay? Here first you have to make balance sheet.